Good King Wenceslas looked out on the feast of Stephen, when the snow lay round about, deep and crisp and even.
Are you excited about today's beer? I am excited. I have no idea what to expect. So here's Beery Christmas, and I need to follow the trail from the first box all the way here. You can see, maybe I should turn a bit here, and it's right below it. That was unexpected and a bit boring, but still, let's open it up. Dunk. So, whatever it is, it goes well with white fish. Poisson blanc. That sounds horrible. I hate fish. So it's, what is it? Barbela et la Bête. I don't even know what language this is, but it's a white beer anyway. Let's give it a shot. Clunk. My trusty glass. My trusty beer. This is exciting. Look. It's so, what do you say in English? It's grumlig in Swedish. Now you know. Okay, let's give it a shot as well. A little bit sweet. Yeah, it's a wheat beer. And to be honest, I haven't drank that many of these, so I can't tell what the difference is. It's a wheat beer. Not gonna be my favorite, but it's still pretty good. So cheers to that.